Hey guys, welcome back. Seeing that it's Halloween, I thought it'd be appropriate to do a night run and see what we encounter. I went down to my local China shop and picked up some white LEDs. The strip inside here is about 1/2 meter long. It's battery driven. I think it runs off about 5 volts and comes with a USB. You can stick it into one of these banks and it runs. But what I want to do is cut off the USB and connect it to my receiver so that it's controllable from the transmitter. I'm going to be using the Axial AX-10 platform. I have added some bumpers and this square tubing to the vehicle. Gives me the ideal platform to actually stick the LED lights onto the bottom, and it'll illuminate the track while I'm crawling. Okay, let me kill the lights and let's see what this looks like. Well, it's still light outside, but it's doing quite a good job. Now I just need to connect it to the receiver. According to the specs of the LEDs that I got from the China shop, they're running off around 4.5 to 5 volts. What I've done is I've taken one of the receiver plugs, splined it on the plus and minus, on the black and red, and now I'm going to check how much voltage comes out of this particular receiver. So it's showing me about 6 volts. In addition, I've done a little modification. I've taken the receiver and the speed controller. They normally sit at the bottom of this plate. I've taken them off and repositioned them at the top, enabling me to put the battery that also normally sits on the top here, making the car a little bit top heavy, and pushing it underneath. So that'll be the new position of my battery, which will give the car a lower center of gravity. So I have cut off the USB connector and connected the wires. There's only a plus and a minus, black and a red wire in the actual cable of the LEDs. So now I just wanted to do a quick check, switch everything on, and let's see if we can switch the lights on while the button, whoop, lights are on. So that's perfect. Now I just have to go solder them together so that I don't short my car out. Now all that's left to do is I need to find the new position for the battery underneath the plate. Perfect. The battery sits lower, everything's connected, lights are working. Now we need to wait for darkness. Halloween! Wind is getting strong. Quite different trying to drive in the dark like this. You don't really see what's coming. So I think what I still need to do is get some lights, like a light bar or something on top to show me what lies ahead. Man, this wind is, all of a sudden we've got so much wind. It's getting quite chilly down here actually. Shots here. Whoa. What's that? Did you hear someone walking? Placements right in the dark here. There we go, that was quite good, that was nice. Really cool. I'm enjoying this, I must say, I'm really enjoying this. This is different. Okay. To line it up to the rocks that I need to get my left tire onto. Not that easy to see in the dark, but also not impossible. Whoop, fell into the tire, I'm supposed to stay. Oh my! Again, try to get out of there a little bit. Oh. say, crawling in the middle of the night on Halloween night, let's say, gives you the creeps. You hear things. I'm sure it's me being paranoid, but okay, repo. This is quite a creepy shot. The way car's standing right now, it actually looks like it's smiling at me. Anyway, I think it's time for me to get out of here. It's cold, the wind's picked up, it's full moon, guys. Actually, I'll show you quickly, we do have an actual full moon, and putting that on Halloween night just makes it more freaky than usual. I'm still hearing some weird noises in the back there. Just don't want to know, don't want to find out, so I'm wrapping this up. Jeez guys, this is getting really windy, it's getting cold. I think I'm going to call it a night. It's getting really uncomfortable. What is that? Oh my god, what the heck was that? What the... Okay, that's enough for me, man. We're out of here. Oh my god, my battery's failing. Come on guys, you can do this. Not now. Come on man, not now. Not now man. You can do this. Back in the shed. Oh, thank God. Okay guys, that's it from me this week. Subscribe, click the notification bell. We'll see you guys next week.